In this setup, we have an E201 which integrates ATEM control, Videohub control, SmartView, HD and SmartScope control, HyperDeck control, as well as control of Panasonic robotic cameras. So if you look at the unit, we have a mode here where you can toggle through what you want to control in terms of the SmartView, brightness of the SmartView HD. You can control which input source for the SmartView HD through the Videohub. You can control the scopes type. And you can also control the frame rate of ATEM switcher, auto and fade to black function. This one, the pick button, is basically toggling through various picture-in-picture modes in which corner you want it. This is the record button for the HyperDeck. You press it and the HyperDeck records. And this button will define what the bus selection does, and that's really the essence of this unit. So if we just look at what it's toggling through, the first one is program preview row, then you have program preview on one row, and you have auxiliary 1 selections up here. On the next one you have media player still selection. On the next one you have audio solo, which channel is solo, audio monitoring. We have a playback and recording of macros, the ATEM macros, just recently added feature. You have now ATEM 2ME control, so this is program and preview for the ME2 row in the ATEM switcher, and that goes for the whole cut audio and the T-bar as well. Then you have the purple modes over here, which is auxiliary selection for auxiliary 2, auxiliary 3. Here you can assign audio to channel 1 and 3, so these two controls can be assigned to any of the ATEM inputs, like it could be a channel 3 input and this could be XLR input, for instance. And then with this one, we have also integrated on the back of this unit, we have tally lamps. We have SKAARHOJ tally lamps over here. So these lamps can be assigned to input. So lamp number 1 is assigned to input 1 and lamp number 3 is assigned to input 3. Obviously lamp 2 is assigned to input number 4. And then we have Videohub, so input, output, and the reverse, we have output, input. And then finally you can assign robotic cameras to the input of the ATEM switcher by, for instance, saying, I want input 1 to be a robotic camera with a certain IP address. So this is a really versatile unit, controlling lots of different broadcast hardware brought together into one single device, and that's the essence of SKAARHOJ integrative products, controlling many things in a single unit in a simple way.